Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today we're here with Valiant. Barbie's Valiant. So, obviously, he's been previewing this song on him Insta and other places, TikTok and places. So, it feels like we know that song already, even though we don't know it. But, you know, I think the chorus, them more than I got no Barbies. Yeah, so, big up Valiant. Artisting right now in the game in Jamaica. So we're gonna jump in one and you ready to set. So let's hit that button there and let's reach over here. So and let's go.
You were the shadow to my life.
For the freaky girl them. Hi ladies.
Afraid our aim is out.
Bitch.
Yeah. Get him out.
Phenomenal.
Them boy don't got no Barbie.
Yeah.
Star get me up vastly.
Yo, the man face that expression. Them more than I got no bar. Yo, confident, don't be G.
Phenomenal.
Work. Let's go.
Them boy don't got no Barbie.
No.
Me no star get me up vastly.
Here comes for J.
Girl love call.
Blood clot.
Woman girl we do her body. So you take girl so balls. I mean you be girl love so cocky.
So I cream the boss I sell to the Barbies them, you know. Cream, you know. Fudge, you know. You know. What them call that one again? What them call that one? What them call that ice cream or something again? I can't remember one. Yeah, you know what I thought that. Yeah.
I was being down, girl love call me. I'm a big woman, girl we do her body. So you take girl so balls. I mean you be girl love so cocky.
Man said the youth girl them love suck balls and the youth girl them suck cocky.
Body. So you take girl so balls. I mean you be girl love so cocky.
Yeah.
And you know me now left out my fatty. Girl inna the bank deep throat slappy.
And you know me now left out the fatty. Girl in the bank deep throat. No matter if she work a bank, she still want the G. She's a Barbie. Oh, Barbies. Yo.
Cocky. And you know me now left out my fatty. Girl inna the bank deep throat slappy. Me a fuck she and she a fuck she.
Picture that. No, left that. Don't picture that. Left that, YouTube.
Me a fuck she and she a fuck she.
Woo.
Freaky girl, I'm a see.
That is it now.
Take some fucking on your mouth, girl. Take some fucking on your mouth, girl. You know say you have a good work, girl. So tight, girl, them clean the fuck. Can't settle down, I'm scared of love.
Man say me can't settle down cause I'm scared of love. Him have a pint like a maca. Yes, him have a pint.
So tight, girl, them clean the fuck. Can't settle down, I'm scared of love. Uptown girl will change your love. Have a see you girl and she done stuff fuck.
The man say, you're bright, oh that. The man say, uptown girl, let me change your luck. Then him go, he say, instead of a CV girl, but she done stuff fuck. Yo, big up CV girl, let me know.
Uptown girl will change your love. Have a see you girl and she done stuff fuck. Come on her breast and she link it up. Up a Barbican, I want me pick her up. Hand on her neck and me fuck her hard. And I talk to her, play with her clitoris. Me a fuck she and she a fuck she.
Melodies. Woo.
Freaky girl, I'm a see.
Bitch.
Yeah.
Take something fucking on your mouth, girl. Take something fucking on your mouth, girl.
Normally when a man sing that type of song, yeah. Take some fucking on your old girl. But the boss also take some fucking on your mouth. Now my thing is, if a girl did sing a song like this, I say to the man them, it should have been a big outpouring dancer. Dancer has always been like that type. It's like a one-sided thing. When the girl them sing certain song like Aisha and them girl, them burn them out. But when the G them sing it, it's alright. You know? The girl them embrace it. You know what I mean? So big up. I don't have a problem with it, you know. Don't think I have a problem with it, you know. You see me? Big up the G, man. Club. Big up the G.
Freaky girl, I'm a see.
That is it.
Bitch.
Yeah.
Take something fucking on your mouth.
In there.
Take something fucking on your mouth.
In there.
You know say you have a good one. Wait, watch girl so cute, chronic. No teeth, no scratch, what Barbie.
Who? watch a girl, a sound I going down there. Ah? On a foreigner down there, no man.
Text some fucking more, girl. No say you have a good one, girl. Wait, watch a girl so cute with chronic. No teeth, no scratch, what a Barbie. Be a girl tongue on it. Me have a chop a girl down a chilani.
I said, maybe a girl tongue on it. Have a chop a girl down a chilani. Go back to the girl from watch.
Wait, watch a girl so cute with chronic. No teeth, no scratch, what a Barbie. Be a girl tongue on it. Me have a chop a girl down a chilani.
Yeah.
So she use her tongue explore. Come on and face one. Me a fuck she and she a fuck she.
Smooth with it.
Freaky girl, I'm a one sick.
Yeah. Hey girl.
Take something fucking on your mind, girl.
Up now.
Take something fucking on your mind, girl.
Bless her.
You know say you have a good one, girl. Which girl so cute cry?
Woo! What you say? Go hold that. Yeah, them clean, man. Clean. Yeah. Barbies. Hey. Them boy there
If I
got
King
no
Cam shoot this is a shoot good brother.
Big myself King Cam, you don't know me. J, big myself King Cam. Yo, Valiant, big myself. Yo, the girl them clean. Consistency. Valiant consistent right now. Like, you can't put a foot wrong with G. If you put a foot wrong, you want with G. The rhythm just nice and just a bounce. You just step on the rhythm and just a spit on the rhythm and yeah, I'm a G. Yeah, I'm a G. Fam, your time now, G. So just go on do it, bro. Just go and take your run because you know, so there's lots of talent in dancehall. So when something pop up, when I talent pop up, you understand? Them are gonna shift it to the side, like we see them done to many others. So your time, G, go and run with it, respect it. You see me? Appreciate your time when you're at the top. Valiant, now your time, G. Song bad, nothing bad about the song. The girl them clean. The girl them play them part in the video. She's nice, you know. But yeah. So I'm gonna leave that one still. If you enjoy that one, I want to see more from you. G! Leave a like on the video, subscribe on it if you're new, and I'll definitely see you there next one.